Hey guys, I'm back with a video. I'm heading out to a service call here. I'm heading out to this local resort that y'all seen me film out a few times, and they got a room they said is not cooling, so we're heading out to see what's going on. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we are here. My thermostat, the maintenance man told me, he turned it off. He told me that it was acting like it was in heat mode. He said when he come in here it was 99 degrees. So here's our air handler. Check out our plenum. Ain't that the coolest plenum y'all have ever seen? That's amazing. Anyway, so we're gonna flip it on cool, see what it does here. My line set is getting warm. So we must have a reversing valve issue. Alright guys, got my meter. I'm checking right here. See if we have a call for the reversing valve. And I do not. Alright guys, so I'm on a delay. I didn't have a call for the reversing valve, so I'm jumping out R to O. Put 24 volts to it and see if it switches over. And go from there. Alright y'all, she just kicked back on. And I feel my line set getting cold. So you know what guys? There's our culprit. Thermostat not calling for the reversing valve. That's a shame. We checked my delta T. It looks like we're going to be changing the stat. Alright guys, got a new thermostat here. One with the T6 Pro Honeywell. Placing this other Honeywell with one of these. So here we go. Alright, guys, got my wires hooked in here. About to get this thing done. Alright, y'all, got our new thermostat on. Gotta put in our power and test everything. Put it on 75 to get it started. Alright, got a 74.5 degree supply temp. Y'all can see how warm it is in here, 88 degrees. So it's gonna take it a little while, but she's back cooling. Just a little summary: I had a bad thermostat, and it was not calling for the reversing valve, so it was just heating away in here, 99 degrees. So, but anyway, that'll about take care of this one. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see y'all on the next one.